Hi Mark, here's a quick video of your clocks now that the conversion's complete. If I power them on, they do the sweep, and then when you select the gears, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, I think my phone is picking it up a bit odd. If you have the run stop switch, you get a warning, and that's selectable to different warnings, 1 of 5. I'll leave it on that one. And whilst you're in gear, you can dim that to 1 of 5 different levels, which it'll remember when the clocks are turned off or the power's off, so you don't have to keep resetting it each time. If I just give it some speed and RPM, 80 mile an hour and 9,000 revs. And that's about it. I hope you like them.